Hello, great people. There are still some Yoruba people that will stand for the truth. Don't write off every Yoruba person. No, not all of them are in support of this nonsense you are seeing. A lot of them are standing for the truth, and a lot of them will defend you. I remember while walking with my brother in Lagos, there's a place we passed. A particular Yoruba guy, a dwarf-sized Yoruba guy, was riding a bike, and somehow he hit us. Yes, he hit us with his bike. And before you know, they rallied boys. If you see the number of boys that came out to still fight us. But a Yoruba elder was watching from his upstairs, one-story building. And he saw what transpired. And he was the one that rescued us. A Yoruba elder. Meanwhile, there are some elders that will not interfere. They will allow us to be attacked. But he shunned the boys, because the moment the guy raised an alarm, a lot of them came. But he was seeing what was happening. So there are good Yoruba people. They are not all bad. And I heard that most of these ones disturbing are the ones, they are not true Yorubas. They are imported from other countries. That's what I heard from one of our sisters. That is a Yoruba. So there are some truthful Yoruba, and I would like you to watch this video and we will be right back. You need to hear what this guy said.
Igbo. You don't concern me, no concern me. Now so war they start. Now so war they start. Igbo people. But Yoruba, watch this video and pick out the one where belongs to you. The one where not belongs to you, leave them for the people waiting for. These people, them be survivor. Me, now I served in Abia State. Now Abia State, me, I run my NYSC. When I did Abia State, he get this brainy guy, where the Igbo guy, who be saying, come meet me, say, bro. Now when you really serve, all this you allow, we make you carry and go area market. You get one place where they call area market. No vessel, make I just cut the thing, make I cut and short. You know, in order to see what this guy they talk, I feel like go area market. All this thing where we take big money fine. For outside, for Lagos, for this place, these people, if you reach area market, forget that. If you are lucrative, like if you know how, if you get the money, just enter that market. You can't wait till you know expect, come outside, come turn out some money. That is one part. If not be Igbo people, how industrious they are, if not be Igbo people, how people, somebody like me go they wear Gucci. How somebody like me go they wear Calvin Klein. How somebody like me go they wear nice Adidas. Because now Igbo make and they competitive.
Yes.
Now Igbo make and they competitive. All those things, all those people from Oga, and if they produce their own, we go get the Igbo one, 17,000. Something where they sell for 400,000. I go buy 17,000. I go put them for body. If it come and fail, now you sabi. Once I don't see Gucci for there, I don't get satisfied. These same Igbo people, for markets, now they make markets they competitive, even in Lagos and anywhere in Nigeria now. Because that market, where on now one sell for 10,000 naira. When we say now 4,000 you buy and you want sell at 10,000. Igbo buy this same market 4,000. He go sell at 4,200. And this Igbo man where they sell the whole 4,200, he don't sell like 500 pieces.
Quantity.
Carry the money, go market again, go buy another one. You when you want sell your own 10,000, when you want to get 6,000, you never sell two.
Yes, sir.
Igbo man don't get the brain, sharply say, by the time he said that 5,000 pieces, by the time he reach market, another goods go down there, another design, you go still carry your design put for market. Now Igbo man make everything they competitive. This Igbo man when you see so, now they make markets, they meaningful. Because one line, you go see Igbo like 100, they sell the same markets. So if you price from this one, you go see what you want from that same line. If you don't see the design for here, you go see for that same line. Now when other tribes say they emulate that behavior. Not be say before if you see one for here, you go Babalada before you go see another one. Then go online and love go there in between themselves. Igbo man don't get what you want for shop, but that same Igbo man go tell you say you there. You go carry in waka, go Igbo man side. He don't go even ask price. He go just carry like 4 or 5. Carry and come out. They don't go even doubt their side whether they go bring them back or not. Hold on, no. Waiting at the top, they say, no, be say they condemn my tribe. Me, I be Yoruba man. But waiting make me talk this thing, they say, I come to see one video. They talk say Igbo man go suffer. Come on, here. Forget that thing. Nah, forget that thing. Igbo man no go solve anything. Shebi shop go open. Shebi see, no go close. Shebi container go the land. As far as say they go China, go buy this, and container go land for Lagos. Forget that Igbo man no go suffer. Igbo man, they no go suffer. They no go suffer. That one no be say Yoruba side no go suffer. Oh. No get me wrong, but let's get this thing into our score. We say everybody get where they good at. Make them carry their this thing. Make them fight for war. Bro, Igbo man no go fight on now. If you get good business for one place, you go pray, make war, come carry and go. Share somebody when don't invest on in life for that thing, you go pray, make war happen. You go pray, make war happen so that when I go destroy that thing, collect that for you. Try. They don't fight anymore. Make you carry out a tribal wahala, make you carry and come out. People when divide us, when cause this problem, then get in. They don't use us finish, they go still use us again. They get agenda. Then get waiting, then get agenda, and they have achieved their aim. They have set everything on fire so that me and you go defend them. So if you go under Sanwo-Olu or Tinubu or anybody post, or you go under Obi post, once you comment negative, they go first go check your name. Now Yoruba boy, they go attack him. Even if what they talk na true. If na Igbo boy abuse Sanwo-Olu or say any negative comment from under Sanwo-Olu, they go attack him. They go defend Sanwo-Olu. Even when they say what Sanwo-Olu do no good, they go defend him because they don't see your name. Chukwu-Ebuka. Their agenda don't their agenda. We fall victim. Shame on us. Shame on us.
Nice one. Tell them.
Nigeria, as far as I'm concerned, everybody when they diaspora, when they tell and say, go fight for war, go protest. Let them say they come out. Come protest for now too. No fight any war. Protect your business. It doesn't mean say if you go filling station, they go sell that fuel for you 2 naira because you be Yoruba. They go sell that for Igbo man 200 because he be Igbo. Do your business, brother. Leave all these people alone. So Chukwu-Emeka will be my friend now. Make I kick and come out from my house. When me and the suffer, when we say na Igbo house, me and they live, they manage the parents. Now when we say Igbo said now my tenants, make I go pursue them because they fight tribal war. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. We all have our own potentials. But what invest here? Igbo man go suffer. They don't go suffer anything. Igbo man will go serve your God for 20 years and get there, lawyer, do freedom, make your own money. Very industrious people. And on our way on they fuel this war because of say content creating. On I know say as a tribal wahala they go. Each one on a post on they get engagement. God will judge on one day. Because say if the comments come, do engagement day on I go get adverts, go get money. When we say now this thing, on I know what make this thing finish, God will judge on her. Nemesis we cut a lot of now. Now this war, when they abuse Obi, when they abuse Tinubu, now on they fuel that thing. What you on not supposed to post on my page? On they fuel them.
Yes.
On the fuel just because they are get engagement, because that is what is trending. You guys should mind what you put on your wall. The negative way will be talk, the negative way this one talk. Now I go to promote so that the anger, if you understand this thing, don't forget say all your family know they are abroad. All your family know on a still get family for there. So what I'm saying in essence is that let's peace reign. We should not be brainwashed. Igbo they live for Yoruba land. Yoruba they live for Igbo land. Igbo they live for Hausa land. Hausa they live for Igbo land. Hausa they live for Yoruba land. Yoruba they live for Hausa land. It is called Nigeria. I'm a Yoruba boy. Doesn't mean that I am stupid. I'm a Yoruba boy. Doesn't mean that I am stupid. If any tribe do what's no good, let them say no good. So if all these things they go on for us, they go on for our land. So for diaspora here, so why we can't they complain say oh Igbo man they marginalize or they do this, they do that? Shame on all of you. Shame on all of you. I am not sorry to say that. Shame on all of you than they promote all this wahala. To my Igbo brothers, on behalf of whosoever that have offended you, we are so sorry. Politics has always been like that in Nigeria. We all need to wake up and understand that fact. Don't let these people divide us. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Did you see that? Did you see that? This particular one has traveled. Yes, he has been to Igbo land. You know, they used to tell you, Igbos do not sell their land. You cannot survive. Igbos even respect visitors more than themselves. He has been to Aba and he learned a lot from Igbo people. He did his NYSC in Aba and he spent some time. He saw the creativity in area market. It was there he learned he can wear designers clothes, almost the same quality, made by Igbos. He learned a lot. Almost all those products you see, designers products, Igbos have their version in Aba, home of creativity. So he learned a lot. he can actually, get it also in Aba and be satisfied. The other day, Wizkid was performing with a Louis Vuitton shirt that was like $2,300 or so, as at that time. This is more than 3 years ago. Meanwhile, in Aba, they have a version almost close, almost the same. They sell for around 6,000 naira at that particular time. Aren't you happy that Igbos are creative? This guy is a Yoruba man. He went and he saw. Igbos are not hostile. In my own place, a Yoruba man is among the kingsmen of our place, among the kingmakers. As people, those who goes with our king. Let me tell you, Igbos are very welcoming. It's only jealousy that will make those Yorubas. Not just jealousy, politics. You have a lot to learn from Igbo man. Igbo man also have a lot to learn from you. Igbo man teach you how to trade, like he said. People buy goods, they put it at high prices, and it takes time for them to sell. But Igbo man can just add a little markup on his market and sells, makes turnover, because that is what matters. So, according to him, Igbos made market meaningful. And he also talks about what Igbos people call Osafia. You want to buy something from an Igbo man's shop, he tells you, okay, we can go and get it from so place. You will sit in the shop, they go and get it for you. And when they want to get it, they don't even ask price, because they know there is almost a regulated price. They collect it from a friend's shop or a brother's shop. Later they will settle, but to satisfy you, the customer, at that particular point in time. So this man made this video. The intent of making this video is for those who say Igbos, if Igbos leave Lagos, they will suffer. Now lie you. Put Igbo man in the forest, they will still survive. You remember what happened in 1967 till now? Igbos are still doing well. They are doing well. They have not been crushed against what a lot of people are telling you. Igbos cannot suffer. Once there is still seaport anywhere, they will be doing their trading, even if they want to start from square one. And Igbos are not the ones making trouble. You know who are making trouble? Igbos have great investments in every part of Nigeria. So they will not be making trouble because they don't want to lose their investments. The ones that are making trouble are the jealous ones who sold their properties to Igbos. After selling, they want it back. How can you eat your cake and have it back? Those who divide Igbos and Yorubas have agenda, and most of the time politics. And each time there's electoral season, they play it again on you. And you people divide yourself because of it. That is what the Yoruba man is saying. And most of the people causing this trouble are diasporan people. They will not come home, but they have brothers here. They'll be stuck in trouble. I had a lady in one of the videos telling people it's time to clip Igbo's wing in Lagos. Did England clip your wings like that? And when they do, you say racist, racist. But look at what you're doing to somebody that is the same country with you. Igbo man has not taken anything from you by force. In the house, your houses they live, your properties they live, they pay rent, and even higher rents. Igbo people are not going to suffer. I like what this man said. He explained it very well. Igbo people train themselves in the way of apprentice, different ways. They are meant to survive. It is natural. God has created them. If I were you, if there's what you will learn from Igbo, you learn from them, and there's what Igbos will learn from you too, they will learn from you. Meanwhile, he made a particular point that I also liked. He said, content creators online should be careful. Because during the election, we had content creators, mainly from Yoruba side, few of them from Igbos who are replying then, telling them the other guy is Igbo mother, Igbo father, this. Igbos wants to take Lagos. People like Nsima. Yes, I want this to be in the record. Nsima. Oh, it's Biafra. Don't mind these people. They are using you to play politics. Igbo man will stand for uprightness. Let me tell you, if Osibanjo has come out to vie for any seat, and the contest is between Osibanjo and Hope Uzodinma or Orji Uzor Kalu, Igbos will vote Osibanjo. Let me tell you, Igbos are about who will get it right. They are not tribalistic, let me tell you. Whatever Igbos are learning in the area of being tribalistic, you are teaching them. They are not tribalistic. They want uprightness. Igbos choosing Peter Obi at this time, it's not because he's Igbo. No. If it was Orji Uzor Kalu, Igbos will not choose him. Obiano, Igbos will not choose him. Several of them, Croatians, Igbos will not choose him. They will prefer Osibanjo. So this guy is also using the opportunity to apologize to Igbos for whatever Yorubas have done. And I believe there are several Yorubas like him who will rise up and tell other Yorubas who are doing the wrong thing to correct themselves. Igbos are not your problem. They are using you to, those who are manipulating you against Igbos are using you to play politics. And this is where I'll leave it for now. Please, viewers, add your comment. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.